I finally tried the viral chocolate. Let's see how it turned out. I started by cooking the vermicelli in some butter until it was nice, crispy and golden brown. You need to cook it on low so you don't burn it. Once slightly cooled, I added some pistachio paste and tahini and gave it a good mix and let it cool totally. I then melted some white chocolate, drizzled it on the mould and then added green colouring and did the same with that chocolate. I followed this by tempering some milk and dark chocolate. Once cool, I put this on the mould and let it chill. Once the chocolate had set, I filled one side with the pistachio mixture and lined the corners of the other one with some leftover milk chocolate. To bind it all together, I let this sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. I was pretty impressed with the way it came out and the size was ideal. This is so good, no wonder it's gone viral. I can't stop eating this.